Wow, this is how we Jai from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. I'm gonna show you how you can insert a new chip or SIM to your brand new iPhone. If you are new to Apple environment or you already have a phone, you want to change chip from one phone to another or insert a new SIM, you can follow this tutorial. Here is iPhone 13. I'm shifting from iPhone 12 to iPhone 13. So what we need the pin. The pin comes in the Apple box. Here we go. We'll take it out. Let's see. Here is the pin. It's very important. Take this out. Or if you have any other pin, you can use the same. Better always use original one. Okay, here we go. Now what we do, so we go to our previous phone, we find this place, you see one hole and tray. So we take out this chip. I hit this one softly, gentle pressure. The tray will come out easily. So I put pin here. I take this tray out. Very gentle, soft hand, it drops. No problem. I put this tray, you see the tray, I put this tray one side, you have to put back and put its place. Here is the SIM. Here we go guys, it's very small, you can see that, very small. So I put this one here, I will go to my iPhone. Here we go. The brand new iPhone, you see the place of tray is the same in iPhone 12 and iPhone 11 also. And whatever version your iPhone you have, more or less they're the same. You have to find this one. Or if you have another type of phone, Samsung, normally the place of chip, this is Samsung Ultra Galaxy 20. The chipset here at the top. Okay, so for take out SIM or chip, you have to press here. Whatever. Let's go to the phone now. Put inside this. Put a gentle pressure, very soft. Take the tray out, that's all. Put the phone fine. And here is the SIM. SIM has a notch here, you see, angle, you have to find this one. And you have to put exactly where it should be. There is in tray, you have the marking. So you have to put exactly the same way. And you don't need to do nothing else. Put back, you see, here we go. How I'm doing, put inside. You see, and put a gentle pressure. Here we go. That's all. It should be plain. If you feel something, push a little bit back. That's all. Nothing else. Now let's hit the power button to check the SIM is working or not. If you are doing this for the first time to set up your phone, you have to check my video how I did set up my phone. In this video, the phone is already set up, so it will start directly. I swipe and I have to put my password. Here we go, the phone starts. And here you see the antenna is working, is 4G, connected with Wi-Fi now. I off the Wi-Fi, here we go. Let me show you 4G and antenna. The chip is working. This is 5G phone and I have 5G antenna as well. But in my neighborhood I have 4G, so this is working fine. Okay guys, so this is how you can put a new SIM to your brand new iPhone or replace your SIM from one phone to another phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.